Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Zulu full-time mama. You can call me Umamgoma. And in this channel we learn IsiZulu. I will teach you simple IsiZulu that will help you to start a conversation or have a conversation in our language, IsiZulu. Basically, I will give you all the tools that you need for your conversational IsiZulu language. Our two previous videos were a bit long because I was sharing our Zulu tradition, umhlonyane, and please expect a little bit longer videos if I'm gonna be sharing a bit of our culture, because it's most of it is very long. We cannot have it in 5 minutes. I cannot be sharing it in like 5 minutes, but today I give you information on to continue on our conversational Zulu, and it's short. However, it will give you all the information that you need for you to start growing and learning in IsiZulu. Before we start, I would love to appreciate all of you for following through, for watching the videos, for the likes, and also thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Just a quick one before we start with the examples. I is ngi. I is ngi. I like ngithanda. Ngithanda. I like ngithanda. Ngithanda. And when it comes to I like and I love, we basically use the same word, thanda. So don't get confused if you hear somebody saying I love you and saying ngiyakuthanda. Sometimes we use the word ngikukhonzile for I like, to specify I like. So some people say ngikukhonzile instead of saying ngiyakuthanda. I hope that part was clear. If not, feel free to go into the comment section and let me know if you need more explanation, or also if you have a suggestion for another topic, or what you would love for me to explain or teach you. Now let's start with our examples. I like to draw. Ngithanda ukudweba. Ngithanda ukudweba. Ngithanda ukudweba. I like to sing. Ngithanda ukucula. Ngithanda ukucula. Ngithanda ukucula. I like to talk or speak. Ngithanda ukukhuluma. Ngithanda ukukhuluma. Ngithanda ukukhuluma. I like to swim. Ngithanda ukubhukuda. Ngithanda ukubhukuda. Ngithanda ukubhukuda. I like to eat or I like food. Ngithanda ukudla. Ngithanda ukudla. Ngithanda ukudla. I like to cook. Ngithanda ukupheka. Ngithanda ukupheka. Ngithanda ukupheka. I like to count. Ngithanda ukubala. Ngithanda ukubala. Ngithanda ukubala. I like to run. Ngithanda ukugijima. Ngithanda ukugijima. Ngithanda ukugijima. Ngithanda ukugijima. I like to write. Ngithanda ukubhala. Ngithanda ukubhala. Ngithanda ukubhala. Ngithanda ukubhala. I like to drive. Ngithanda ukushayela. Ngithanda ukushayela. Ngithanda ukushayela. Ngithanda ukushayela. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.